This is what's unique about Liberty Trike. I'm gonna flip the handlebar up afterwards, but right now I just wanna show you, because this defines Liberty. That's how easy the frame goes together. There's a little pin they have to put inside this hole. Boom, it's locked into place. Little bit of this, give it a little tension. That's a quick release. You're done with that, okay? This is solid. It's not gonna come apart. It's not gonna break on you. Plug this in. Battery plugged in. Boom, just like that. Lift up this handlebar. Put that in. Go ahead and go down like that. Lock it up into place. Boom, Liberty Trike. You're done, right? Seat. Take that beautiful seat, that beautiful 3-inch padded seat that comes with it, that should come with every tricycle. Put that in, all right? That's not extra, of course it's included. Put that right in there, give that a close. Next thing you know, I'm on a Liberty Trike. I'm there, I'm at the park, I'm at the campground, I'm at my kid's soccer game, wherever I'm going, I'm traveling. You can do that with Liberty Trike. That's how it works.